Google AI answers, how to stay visible when search stops sending clicks. Explain what current AI search research and policy changes mean for operators, creators, and businesses that rely on search visibility, then give a practical workflow to adapt. Google AI overviews are pushing search toward answers first and clicks second. That matters because many businesses still plan content as if the old reward is simple: rank well, get the click, win the visit. But if the user reads the answer on the results page, compares sources there, and leaves satisfied, your old search playbook weakens. The new question is not only can you rank, it is can you get cited, trusted, and remembered inside the answer itself. The strongest evidence here is not a vendor thread. It is current 2026 research. One study measured Google AI overviews at scale and described them as reaching more than 2 billion users. It found overall activation at 13.7%, but a much higher 64.7% for question form queries. The skeptical analyst asks, is that enough to matter? Yes, because those are the high intent, explanatory, comparison, and research style searches many operators rely on. If those queries increasingly resolve inside the answer box, discovery math changes fast. The study found that nearly 30% of cited domains did not appear in the co-displayed first page results. That is a very important signal. It suggests the answer layer is not simply repeating the visible ranking layer. The engine is selecting, synthesizing, and citing with a different logic. So a page can lose influence even if it still ranks, and a page can gain influence if it is unusually clear, direct, and evidence-rich. The unit of competition shifts from blue link position to citation usefulness. Another 2026 study estimated that AI overview exposure reduced English Wikipedia traffic by about 15%. That does not mean every site loses 15%. But it does confirm a direction: answer-first search can substitute for page visits. The Atlantic's recent coverage pushes the same theme into the operator world, showing how brands are already trying to influence AI recommendations directly. This is not only a media company problem. SaaS pages, service pages, product explainers, research hubs, and comparison content all live in the same discovery system. This is not a call to panic and rewrite everything overnight. The impact varies by query type, region, brand strength, and content category. Some visits may decline while qualified awareness rises. Some sites may earn more authority if they become heavily cited. And the current evidence does not fully tell us the best repeatable citation tactics yet. What it does tell us is that old SEO assumptions are no longer enough on their own. Here is the practical workflow. First, inventory the 5 pages that matter most to your pipeline: your core product page, your best comparison page, your most useful explainer, your strongest proof page, and your highest intent FAQ. Second, rewrite the top of each page so the first screen delivers a clean answer in plain English. Third, tighten entity clarity: exact company name, product name, category, and use case. Fourth, add evidence, dates, metrics, sources, screenshots, and structured examples. Fifth, measure not only clicks, but citations, branded search lift, demo quality, lead quality, and assisted conversions. The skeptical question is whether this sounds like SEO with new paint. The answer is partly yes, but the weighting changes. You are optimizing for machine-readable trust, not just human curiosity. Not included. My judgment is that AI search does not kill discovery. It changes the shape of it. The winners will be the businesses that make their pages easier to quote, easier to trust, and easier to identify than the competition. That means structure, clarity, evidence, and clean entity signals matter more than before. If AI search becomes the default layer, what is the first page on your site you would rebuild for citation instead of clicks? Create a whiteboard-style explainer with clean charts, answer cards, SERP mockups, citation callouts, and workflow checklists. Use calm lead narration with skeptical analyst handoff moments. Keep the pacing crisp and visually explanatory, changing the scene every 3 to 5 seconds. Avoid hype words and keep claims pinned to the source cards. Make the workflow practical and specific. 1 May 13, 2026, submission date of the main Google AI Overviews study. 2 billion users reached by Google AI Overviews, according to the study abstract. 355,393 trending queries in the study dataset. 419 topical categories in the study. 540-day measurement window from March 13 to April 21, 2026. 613.7% overall AI overview activation. 764.7% activation for question form queries. 8 Nearly 30% of cited domains not appearing in co-displayed first page results. 998,020 atomic claims decomposed in the study. 10-11% unsupported claims in cited answer analysis. 11 About 15% reduction in English Wikipedia traffic estimated by the second study. 12 June 2026 UK publisher opt-out ruling coverage. 13 7-minute target runtime. 1449 of 60 total topic score. 15 5 pages to rewrite in the recommended workflow. 1 1-page summary 2. Links mentioned 3. Key terms explained 4. Practical examples 5. Watch list and risks educational content only. Not financial advice. Hashtag Google, hashtag AI overviews, hashtag SEO, hashtag Geo, hashtag artificial intelligence.